And this video is for who are an educator, online teaching, and if you are searching for best application software for teaching in the online and different tools which you want to use in your class. Okay, so I am introducing one software that name is OpenBoard software. So in the previous video, I explained you how to download and how to install the OpenBoard software in your laptop or desktop. Okay, so in this video, I will explain you what are the different features are available in this platform and how we can record and what are the different styles and different tools that are available with this software. We'll explain one by one. Okay, now let us start the video and watch till the end, and please try to support the video and also subscribe. Okay, so let me start. Let us open the software. Okay, so this screen will be open once you double click the icon. Okay, so here are the some options here in the bottom. So this is an pen. Okay, so you can write here, say hi. So now you can check that the thickness is as very small. So you can increase the thickness. There are three level of thickness, one, two, three. Now if you go to the middle one, medium. So this will be the thickness. Again, large one. Okay, even though if you want more thickness also, there is an setting option here, so you can customize as per your requirement. In the preference, you can change this as pen thickness. Okay, so that will discuss later. Now there is an option of eraser. You can erase whatever you want. Okay, again, marker. Okay, here also you can use different colors also, like this. Okay, like a highlighter type, right? Now you can select any one later also, and you can move also. Okay, now this is another option. This is span, where entire your object will be moved from one place to another place. Zoom in, zoom out available. Okay, these are the different if you want to the straight line, and you can customize your text also. You can type here, right, like this. This also again you can expand the width as well as the different fonts also. You can use different colors also possible. Okay, so you can check it, right? If you want, you can change the color also. Again, if you want to cut any object, just you have to select this, then you can do it. Now this is an keyboard where the keyboard will be directly on the screen. Okay, you can type again, right? This option is also available, and this is the latest added in this software. Okay, again this is an snap grid. So now coming to the top side, here different styles and their colors you can change it, and lines thickness, eraser thickness also, as I told that small eraser this one if you want to replace some dot type. Okay, like this. And if you want to erase entire object, you can make the you can select the bigger one. And background, see, in the starting by default it's open in the white. Now you can change into grid type, line type, black, black grid. Okay, black lines. So different, almost six background color will be available. Now again, here are options. Eraser is there. Pages. Okay, page one, page two. Also you can select if you want to go to the next page. Okay, and here many options are there, like you can get the web browser. Okay, you can search here. There is an option of Google also. Now you can download and you can import from the different files also, like you can take the picture, you can take the graphs, you can take the PDF. Okay, that we can explain here. Okay, there is an option of page size, regular size, wide size, and if you want to record, you can use better for 6 by 4. 16 by 9, and cut, copy, paste, hide the open bar, sleep. So some tutorials also available here. And here in the preference, okay, if you want to set the display, okay, so display horizontal, vertical, toolbars, vertical, virtual keyboards, PDF, okay, so PDF export from the double view, export from the background color, many options are there. So mode of starting, directly can go to the board, okay, documents, display that is, you can just change it as per your requirement. And capacity, okay, as I told that, the grid capacity, pen capacity also you can adjust, and pen colors, fine thickness, medium, strong, even though you can just change it, okay, you can change. Okay, so many options are there: marker, network, license, credits, awards. So these are the options which is available, right? Again, one more best option is that podcast. Okay, you can record also if you start just clicking here. So the entire screen is recording now. Okay, entire screen is recording without using the screen recorder. You can directly use this option where it can be saved in a different file format, or later you can convert into your requirement format. Okay, so if you stop again, click there, it will get stopped. Okay, again if you click there, the file will be saved. Again another video recording is started, that will be saved here on the desktop. You can check this video has been recorded here. Okay, a file, so file format will be, you can check the properties, it will show the file format. Okay, it is in WMV file. Okay, if you want in MP4 also, you can convert using the online converter. Okay, that you can make it, no problem. So these are the different features are available. Again, if you want to go to the board, again you can click there. Okay, so we'll documents. Okay, again here in the right side you can check top right side. There is an arrowheads here. If you click there, it will show some of the tools which are inbuilt in the software. Like we can use the audios, we can use the movie clips, picture you can import, and interactions. Okay, so if you want different tools here, compass is there. If you want compass, just move from here. So compass is on the screen now. Okay, so different symbols, sliders, anything are there. Again, if you go to home, again you can check the. Okay, now applications. These are very important. Application, if you want a ruler, so just move from here. So the scale is available now. You can use the pen to draw a straight line, vertical line, and protractor is also available here. Okay, compass is there, mask is there, ruler, axis, triangles. Okay, maximum all the tools which is required for a teacher, everything there, even calculator. Okay, the calculator is available on the screen now, right? Check it. So it's not scientific, but some calculation you can make it. Okay, so hope this video is helpful for you, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.